To make gyoza dumplings, we need 3 steps.
Making the wrappers, mixing the stuffing, and the cooking. We can make different dumplings by changing the stuffing.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious stuffing with chives and Napa cabbage.
Start by preparing the dough to make the gyoza wrappers. For this, dilute 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of water. In a mixing bowl, put 3 cups and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and pour the salted water into it. Mix. Knead to form a ball. Then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Then knead for 5 minutes. And let it rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare the stuffing. Take 1/4 of Napa cabbage, about 10 ounces. Blanch it in boiling water for 1 minute. Afterwards, this helps remove water from the cabbage. Drain it and put it in cold water. Cut 12 ounces of pork loin into chunks. You can also use chicken meat. Chop it. Put it in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, half tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Add it too. Combine. Mince 7 ounces of chives. If you don't have any, you can use leek. Put them with the meat. Squeeze the Napa cabbage to remove the water. Slice it. Press it again. This way, the stuffing will not become too moist during cooking. Combine. Set aside. After 1 hour, briefly knead the dough. Take a 1/4, form a cylinder, and divide it into 10 parts. We get a total of 40 wrappers. For thinner wrappers, you can divide the dough into 50 parts. Keep them under a dry cloth. Take 2 parts. Spread them into small discs. Sprinkle them with cornstarch. Superimpose them and spread them together. Spread more on the edges until getting wrappers of about 3.5 inches in diameter. This technique allows you to quickly obtain the wrappers. At this point, you can freeze them. Spread 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on the surface of non-stick pan. The whole family participates in making the dumplings. Humidify the edge of the wrapper. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the center. Fold the wrapper into half moon shape. Pinch in the middle, then make 3 small folds on the right and 3 small folds on the left. Press the folds to close properly. Adjust the shape of the gyoza. Here is the folding seen from above. You can get nice dumplings very quickly. You can make a large quantity of dumplings and freeze them at this stage. Put them in a pan. To cook, start by heating the pan over medium heat for 5 minutes. This step allows to lightly toast the bottom of the gyoza and make them firm. Then add the cold water to halfway up the gyozas. Here I put 1 cup. Turn to low heat, put the lid on and let cook for 6 minutes. Then remove the lid and turn to high heat. The water evaporates for 1 to 2 minutes. Then sprinkle evenly with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Let grill for about 5 minutes, still over high heat. The sesame oil will flavor and crisp the bottom of the gyozas. They are ready! After cooking, don't cover them to keep them crispy. You can enjoy them with a dipping sauce made with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Bon appétit! We like to eat gyoza as complete dish. The homemade dough is consistent, grilled with sesame oil is delicious. The chives give a nice flavor, and the Napa cabbage adds umami to the stuffing. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.